In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing meetings for work or managing personal appointments, integrating these two tools will streamline your scheduling process and help you keep everything in sync. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Calendly. Once you're logged into your account, go straight to the main dashboard where you can see all your scheduling options and settings. This is your starting point for managing all of your Calendly activities. Next, look for the Integrations and Apps section. This is where Calendly allows you to connect with a variety of other applications, and it's where we'll be linking your Google Calendar. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page displaying all the available integrations. Among the options, you'll see Google Calendar. Click on it to proceed. This integration is crucial because it allows Calendly to automatically check your Google Calendar for conflicts and add new events, ensuring you never end up double booked. It's a huge time saver and minimizes any scheduling headaches. After clicking on Google Calendar, you'll see a button labeled Connect. Click this button to start the connection process. At this point, you'll need to go through a verification step. Calendly will ask for permission to access your Google account, so make sure you're logged into the correct Google account you want to link. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This is just a security measure to ensure that only you can access your calendar information. Once you've successfully verified and connected your Google Calendar, you're all set to begin using both tools together seamlessly. From now on, any appointments scheduled through Calendly will automatically appear in your Google Calendar, complete with all the details you need. And that's it. You've now set up Calendly with your Google Calendar. This integration not only ensures your calendar stays up to date with all your scheduling commitments, but also helps you manage your time more effectively. Remember, you can always revisit the Integrations and Apps section if you need to adjust any settings or reconnect your calendar in the future. By following these straightforward steps, you've made scheduling easier and more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using digital tools to improve your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.